Welcome, geometry students, to class today on this Tuesday the 4th. Let's go ahead and take a look at some announcements for today's class period. Feel free to write down what you feel is necessary to write down, and here we go. There will be a quiz on Friday, so make sure you're ready for this. I will give you more details on Thursday about this quiz. Notice there's no class tomorrow on Wednesday, so enjoy your day off. I'm glad you guys get a day off. That's good for you. Turn in test corrections. Please make sure that you turn in your sheet of paper that has your test corrections on it. Make sure your name is on it, okay? A lot of you are still turning in papers with no name, so make sure you put your name on your paper. And also, please listen to me, students. Turn in your tests, okay? You must turn in your tests with your test corrections, or I have no idea which problems you missed if you don't do that. So turn in your test corrections with your test, okay? All right, let's continue on. I believe there are no incompletes right now, so that's totally taken care of. Remember, students, if you miss a day of class, it is your job to go to this website here and watch the video that you missed. If you come into class and we're taking a quiz or a test, you will have to take that quiz or test because it's your job to know what you missed while you were out, okay? That's very, very important. Now, and also, guys, I give you really important announcements during this intro video that you need to know when you're out, when you miss school. So make sure when you miss class, you watch this video, okay? Or go to this website and watch the correct video for the day. Okay, moving on. Let's see here. Schedule. We're going to finish the video from yesterday and work on homework. Now, here's a quick note to Mr. Hamill. Mr. Hamill, well, I'll get to that. Never mind. I'll get to that later. Okay, so we're going to finish the video today, and we're going to work on homework. Here's the homework assignment for today, so go ahead and copy this down, please, if you would. Page 245, 9 through 26, 29 through 31, and 38 and 39, okay? So go ahead and copy this down. This is your homework assignment. It is due on Thursday, okay? It's due Thursday because there's no class tomorrow. Okay, moving on. For those in the play, here's how we're going to do this. Please listen carefully. You are to work hard the entire class period today, okay? If you do not finish your homework during class, I have no problem with that. But you are to turn in what you did in class today on Thursday. So when you come in Thursday, if you don't have the entire assignment done, that is totally fine. I will give you a 100%, okay? But you need to turn in what you get done in class today, and you'll turn that in on Thursday, okay? So make sure you work hard in class and get at least part of it done. Moving on. Numbers 38 and 39 are proofs, so feel free to use Mr. Hamill or the help video as much as you need to, okay? Those will be pretty tough, and so work hard on those and use the video. Now, the help video is lesson 5.2 homework. Now, let me talk about a mistake that I made yesterday. I'm really sorry about this, guys. I really, really messed up, and I would like to tell you that I'm just so smart that I had a reason for doing this, but I didn't. If you'll notice in your notes, I told you to write down lesson 5.2, okay? If you'll look in your notes from yesterday, it said to copy down lesson 5.2. In fact, I'll show that to you real quick, okay? Listen to me. Now here it is. Wait for it, right here. This is what I told you to write down in your notes yesterday. Okay? But here's the problem with that. The problem with that is the video was called Lesson 5.1. I totally messed up, guys, and I'm so sorry. I had you guys start the chapter off doing 5.2. If you'll look in your books, you did lesson 5.2 yesterday. So, Mr. Hamill, listen carefully, okay? The video that you watched from yesterday was called this. Okay, but I changed it. So Mr. Hamill, when you go today to finish the video from yesterday, I have changed the name to the proper name. So look up this video here. This is the video right here that you are to finish in class today. I changed the name of it so it matches appropriately. Now, it's no big deal that 5.1 and 5.2 were done out of order. That's totally okay. But I need you to know what's going on. So notice the homework today is called what? 5.2 homework. So now everything is all lined up perfectly, okay? So on Thursday, we're going to go back and do what lesson? 5.1. Okay, so the, the video you need to watch today is called lesson 5.2. You're going to finish it, whatever you didn't watch yesterday. As for the homework is called lesson 5.2 homework because that's really the lesson you're on, okay? So all of that should make sense now. And then Thursday we'll go back and do lesson 5.1, okay? So really sorry about that. Don't know what I was thinking, but that's the situation. So, okay, moving on. Also on the test correction video, I forgot to tell you students how many points were off for each mistake. Each mistake was 1.5 points off. So if you want to make sure your test grade is accurate, multiply the total number of mistakes by 1.5 and subtract that number from 100. Okay? And you should have the correct test score. Lastly, if any of you want to retake the test and attempt to raise your test grade to a 70, you must do this by Friday. Okay? No exceptions, guys, unless you're absent on Friday. But if you're absent on Friday, you will take it on Monday, period. Okay? Contact me if you have any questions on this, all right? So keep that in mind. Jaden, Mr. Hamill mentioned that you emailed me. I did not get that email, and I've checked my spam folder. I've checked everything. So let me give that email to everyone again to make sure you have the right email. This is not, I've had no other students, Jaden, complain about this, so maybe you had the wrong address. But here it is. It's ERHART. M for Mike, okay? So Earhart M at BereanAcademy.net. Okay, Earhart M at BereanAcademy.net. So students, make sure you have this and contact me if you have any questions, okay? And if that doesn't work, for whatever reason, feel free to call. All right. Okay, moving on. Thanks for the work you students do, guys. Have a good day. Get to work. Go ahead and finish the video you did not finish yesterday, and then go ahead and get to work on your homework.